Hi, I'm Lucas Cameron. I'm the owner of Off Grid Contracting. We've been in business now going on 6 years, and it's because of amazing people out there like many of you that follow us here on YouTube especially that has helped us stay in business and be successful. We're so grateful for you all. I'm doing this video today to give many of you though that haven't had an opportunity to go off grid a financial help as far as labor goes, and even a little bit incentive on materials just for this fall. Okay, that's just for this fall that I'm doing this. Winter time is the busiest time of year for us. It's been consistent like that ever since we've been in business. Man could about starve to death in the summer, but we just blow out during the winter with construction. But this fall, before election season comes and before personally I think the next second Great Depression comes that my grandmother so fondly I can think about how she warned me about it many times when I was helping her can food as a child. She warned me about these days coming, and I really believe this next thing coming is not a recession, but the second Great Depression of our country. And with that said, before election year comes and before a lot of turbulent times come, I'm offering this incentive to folks during our down season, during the fall. This is going to be from the 7th, 9/7 of 19, okay, to 11/1 of 19. So during those months, if you would like to book us for work, got a bunch of options out here for you, and I'm going to go down my list right here with you today of the options that's available. For those that want to book a consultation with us during this time frame, the consultation we usually charge, that means getting your materials list together, that means helping you consult your project from start to finish, figure out what you need over the office. Now if we have to come out to your site, additional fee supply. But with that said, if you just book a standard consultation with us, instead of the normal $250, it's $200. Now, the best part about that is on the back end of the project, we always give back that money to our customers if they have us come out and do the construction and not just consult their project so they can do it themselves. If we actually come out and do that construction for you, we're not only going to give you your $200 back off your labor, but we're going to give you an additional $50 that we would have normally charged the $250 rate. So you're actually getting your money back plus some. Now on top of that, we're going to be doing the 90-cent labor rate for, for example, when we put in a solar install for every 1 kW, you can just figure out that's $1,250 worth of labor. But that covers us putting your solar on a ground mount or on your roof, putting your battery bank in, your charging system, your inverter, all that labor is all inclusive. So, depending on the size of your system, that's the labor price. That's how we price out our construction. So for our normal solar install, it would be a $1.25 a watt labor rate, but we're going to reduce that to 90 cents a watt. And this is where it gets really good. The first person that takes us up on this offer and their install is greater than 5 kW solar wise, we're going to do it at 85-cent labor rate. Now that's only for one person, and that's the first person that books a job, books a consultation with us first, turns it in, converts it into a job. That's going to go to that person. Now, another thing we're going to do is a lot of tiny house folks want us to do their tiny house installs. We get this a lot of time in between big jobs. We do these as fillers. Anybody that books a tiny house install with us during that time frame, it's going to be $250 off the normal labor rate. So it's a flat $2,000 rate. It's going to be $250 off that normal rate. You're going to immediately get that discount. Okay. Now, a couple other things is Hurricane Wind Power is a supplier that we've used ever since we've been in business. They're amazing. Their customer support, warranty, technical questions, everything. They're amazing to our customers because we're a labor entity. We partner with a lot of suppliers to get things here and there depending on water systems, solar, wind power, aquaponics, greenhouse. There's a lot of different things that goes into the works. Right now we're just talking about solar. As far as this supplier goes, as long as that you purchase a solar system through them, the materials all come through them, the solar components, we're going to do an incentive rebate. For anything under 4 kW, you get an immediate $75 credit off your install refunded from us. That'll come directly to you, okay? We can take that off the labor bill and give it to you as a gift card. It's just depending on how you want that given to you. All right, but anything above 4 kW, you'll get a $100 immediate rebate, and then you'll get $50 for every kW past that. All right, so that's a really great opportunity right there, guys, to get money back for buying the equipment you're going to need anyways. The only thing is you're just using our service to install it. So there's a great incentive there, not only in labor, but in your materials to put money back to yourself that you would have been spending out anyway. Now, one other note that I want to give out to people is that our winter rates are $1.35 a watt instead of the normal $1.25 throughout the rest of the year. So between 12/1 of 19 to 2/29 of 20, those rates are in place. So that's why I'm trying to not only encourage folks to take advantage of a great opportunity to save a lot of money right now, but during the wintertime, that's our busiest peak season of the year, and it's the most expensive. So not only are you saving off normal rates and off the winter rates, but this is the best opportunity right now in this window to save a ton of money. Now, if we book a ton of jobs during this time frame and it ends up being not installed during that particular window, we're still going to honor that as long as everything is booked within that time frame, okay? So that means even if it runs into our winter time frame. But now scheduling also may be have to be adjusted accordingly. I think that's pretty much got everything. Once again, I just want to thank all of our customers for all the support over the past 6 years. You know, we started out in the back of a vehicle with just some tools, and now we're a very successful business and been across the country and the world, and I just can't thank you all enough. So if you have any questions, make sure to visit us at offgridcontracting.com. Information page, you can go right there on the contact us. If you want to set up a consultation, you can hit us up. All the information also is in the video description below, and as always, guys, till we see you again, look forward to working for you.